Today, we're gonna inspire you.
It's a glimpse in the future of SOLIDWORKS and 3DEXPERIENCE worlds.
Whether you work for large or small companies, things get better when we work together.
We are all here together to dream and also learn how to turn our dreams into reality.
You want to do more than just design things. You want to experience things. You want to see the link between things and real life.
We want to help engineers and users save time and money so they can invest in innovation.
It's not about just creating products. Customers demand an experience.
It's really important that you involve the customers with a platform that's totally possible and you can include them in the whole design process.
We wanted people to learn about mechanical and 3D design. That's why we provided them with the right tools.
They are inspired by their own customers. This is what we are here for.
Don't wait. Start today. It's your turn.